Welcome back to our channel. If you're managing quizzes in LearnDash and need a reliable way to track completed quizzes and receive notifications each time a student finishes one, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to locate completed quizzes in LearnDash and set up notifications using the LearnDash Notifications add-on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a streamlined system for managing your quizzes and notifications. Let's dive in. Before we set up notifications, let's first cover how to locate completed quizzes. This is essential if you want to check student submissions and keep track of their progress, especially for essay-based quizzes that might require manual grading. Start by navigating to the Quizzes section within LearnDash. In your WordPress dashboard, go to LearnDash LMS and click on Quizzes. Here, you'll see a list of all the quizzes on your site, making it easy to select and manage each one. Select the specific quiz you want to check. Click on the quiz title to open the management options, where you'll be able to view detailed information about each submission. Find the Submitted Essays or Results tab. Depending on your LearnDash settings, you might have a tab labeled Submitted Essays or Quiz Results. This area will display all completed quiz submissions. Here, you can see each student's submission, their name, the date they completed the quiz, and in some cases, their score. Organize and filter results. For easier tracking, consider organizing quizzes into categories based on topic, grade level, or other criteria. You can also filter results by date, which is particularly helpful if you're tracking new submissions or recent activity. This organization helps you quickly spot which quizzes might require immediate attention. Pro tip: if you have quizzes that require manual grading, such as essays or extended responses, use the Submitted Essays tab to keep track of pending submissions that need grading. This way, you'll never overlook a student's work. Now that we know where to locate quiz completions, let's move on to setting up notifications. Notifications ensure that you, or designated instructors, get alerted every time a student completes a quiz. This is a great feature to stay updated on student progress without manually checking. First, install the LearnDash Notifications add-on. Go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard, search for LearnDash Notifications, and install it if it's not already active. This plugin is specifically designed for LearnDash and allows you to automate notifications for multiple triggers. Go to the Notifications section in LearnDash. Once the plugin is active, head to LearnDash LMS and click Notifications. Select Add New Notification to create a new notification alert. Set the trigger to when a user completes a quiz. In the notification settings, select when a user completes a quiz as your trigger. This will ensure you're notified each time a quiz is finished. Customize who receives the notifications. You can choose between sending them to the admin, instructor, or even the student themselves. Customize your notification message. In the message settings, make sure to include helpful details. You can use shortcodes to insert dynamic information like the student's name, the quiz name, and their score, if available. Adding these details will give you all the essential info right at a glance, so you know exactly who completed the quiz and what their results were. Click Save when you're done. To ensure everything is set up correctly, you may want to test your notification. Create a sample quiz and complete it as a student. This way, you can see if the notification is sent as expected and make any necessary adjustments. Check your inbox or designated notification location. Ensure that the message format appears as you set it up, with all details correctly displayed. If needed, go back into your settings to make additional changes. Here are a few tips to further optimize your quiz and notification setup. Bulk grading. For quizzes that have multiple choice or true/false questions, bulk grading can speed up the process. This can be done within the quiz management settings and saves you the time of reviewing each quiz individually. Enable instructor access. If you have multiple instructors, you can allow specific instructors access to manage notifications and grading for quizzes in their courses. This is particularly useful if you're running a large LMS with multiple course creators. And that's it. With this setup, you now have a seamless system to track quiz submissions and get notified when a student completes a quiz. This not only keeps you updated on student progress but also makes it easier to stay on top of any grading needs, especially for quizzes with essay responses. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your LearnDash experience. Don't forget to drop any questions or feedback in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.